Welcome back, everybody, to Top Mug. I'm your host, Jason Catalano, and on this channel, it is our mission to make your menu in minutes with mugs for muscle. And today, we have a really good recipe for you. It's Betty Crocker's Mug Treat Cinnamon Roll. You can find these at your local grocery store as well as online for about $4 for 4 packs. It's going to give you about $1 per meal. Phenomenal. And on this recipe, we particularly add protein powder to give you extra protein into your diet to help supplement it for your aesthetic, athletic, and fitness goals, as well as we also add this ingredient, your Amazing Grass Superfood Greens Powder. So the number one thing that this powder is going to give you is it's going to give you not necessarily your daily veggie and fruits servings, but it is going to get you closer to that. And this is a great way to sneak in a lot of the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that we see in common fruits and vegetables into a dessert without ever even noticing it. And so with that, go ahead and check out this recipe, make it for yourself, and giddy up.
I'm just good